Sa pamamagitan ng mga sining na ito at sama-samang pakikilahok ng komunidad, isinusulong ng pamahalaan at ng local advocates ang patuloy na Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering ano na naman kaya ang ginagawa ng taong ito sa lugar na ito. Ani ng sining ng taong bayan. Paano kung ang isang cafe maging tahanan din ng sining? Isa ito sa mga pinaka-refreshing na events na napuntahan ko lately bilang isang artist at content creator. And honestly, medyo na-inspire talaga ako rito. Recently, I was invited to witness and support the grand opening of the Shamsi Art Gallery here at Humayan Cafe inside Enviro Green Farm sa Barangay Katanggawan, General Santos City. So dagang salamat kay Ma'am Gems Ordoyo for the invitation and for allowing me to be part of this beautiful initiative para sa arts community natin. And take note, madaling puntahan ang lugar. Kapag galing kang downtown Jensen at biyaheng Digos, Davao, makikita mo agad ang Enviro Green Farm along the National Highway sa left side. And yes, nandyan na rin yung karatulang Humayan Cafe. Para kang may madidiskubreng hidden creative sanctuary sa gitna ng nature. At pagpasok ko pa lang sa lugar, maganda na agad yung vibe. Alam niyo yung nature, coffee, paintings, creative people, music, and stories all in one space. Parang humihinga yung lugar ng creativity. At syempre, sobrang honored din ako na maimbitahan to perform my rendition of Ani ng Sining by Joey Ayala in front of fellow artists, guests from the government and private sectors, and art enthusiasts here in Jensan and the Soxargen region.
From Papalem Music, none other than Sir Harlem Jude Ferolino. Palapakan po natin.
At pabuhay po ang mga alagad ng sining. Again, palakpakan po natin ang artists today. Hindi lang humay ang ating aanihin, meron din pong ani ng sining. To be honest, second time ko palang nakantahin to. Ma-perform ito ng live in front of an audience. Kaya medyo kabado tayo, pero sobrang fulfilling naman sa puso. Ayun, masaya naman. So, stream nyo na sa favorite platform nyo ang Ani ng Sining Tribal Mix by Harlem Jude Ferolino. It's Papalem Music. Thanks in advance. Ani ng sining, ani ng galing, diwa at damdamin ng taong bayan. Ani ng gabay sa ating paglalakbay. Ani ng sining ng taong bayan. Kamalayan, liwanagan, pagdiriwang, ani ng sining. Isa rin sa mga highlights ng event ay makilala at makita ng personal ang mga talented artists na involved sa workshops at exhibit. Si Sir Bal Fornaliza, isang oil painting expert na sobrang galing ng palette knife skills. Sir June Rocha, Master of Acrylic Contemporary Painting. Si Sir Daryl Ahero, the incredible watercolor art instructor. At si Miss Marjorie Doqueza, ang art facilitator and one of the organizers behind the event.
Ang gumawa po talaga nito ay si Ma'am Marcelina Supsup. And nag-join kasi ako before sa painting competition nila dito last year. And ako po yung nanalo that time. And at the same time, nag-workshop ako dito sa Humayan Cafe. And mga bata yung tinuturuan ko that time. And then parang na-inspire si Ma'am Marcy na mag-art advocate ulit dito sa Humayan para mabuhay ang Humayan. Kaya matagal niya na pinaplano tong art gallery, kaso pinag-iisipan niya pa kung paano siya i-handle. So, na-timing namin siya ngayong National Heritage Month, and then ang team namin is Amor Solo Subject. Para sa tribute na din kay Amor Solo dahil siya ay sa Pidoy the Artist, kaya yun ang team namin sa Heritage Month, si Amor Solo. And at the same time, ang mga artists, ako din na local artist, ang subject namin halos ay si Abarsolo. That's why, yun yung theme ng aming gallery today.
Nakakatuwang makita na may mga artists na willing magbahagi ng kanilang talent at knowledge para mas maraming ma-inspire na sumubok at mahalin ang sining. At syempre, nakaka-starstruck din na makita si Miss Shamsi Supsup Lee supporting this initiative alongside her mother, Engineer Marcelina Supsup, na sobrang passionate talaga to open up this creative endeavors. Yes, sa kanila itong Humayan Cafe and Enviro Green Farm sa Katanggawan. Si Tita Marcy talaga ang may pakana ng lahat ng to. Kaya kudos pa sa inyo, ma'am, and congratulations!
I'm so happy to see you all na dito ngayon. Hindi ko ma-explain how happy I am. Akala ko lang simple lang itong aking celebration. Pero andito kayo to support us. Just a very simple background. I am the founder of Enviro Green School of Technology. And the mission vision is to help the community. Yung mga underprivileged students at saka yung mga farmers sa community gusto kong matulungan. So, unang minungha namin ay ang TESDA para magbigay ng training sa komunidad at makatulong to improve the lives of the people around. And because of distance, nakita niyo naman how far my farm is from the city. Sabi ko, ano ba ang gagawin ko para maging unique so that people will come? So, ang daming paraan. Sabi ko, maybe we'll have to do something to make people aware that we exist, Enviro Green School of Technology, that supports the community. And one of that is putting up this creative coffee shop na nagsusupport sa mga artists. Ako talaga matagal na akong supporter sa artist because you know that Shamsi is also an artist. Since high school, nagde-drawing talaga. Pinilit ko actually mag-drawing siya at tumulong sa aking negosyo. Nabenta ang unang exhibit niya. 1 man o 2 man exhibit ba yun? Binenta ko yung 10 mother and child painting ng high school pa siya. So ngayon gusto ko ipagpatuloy to inspire the youth around and to use the farm as an inspiration sa art.
By the way, 40th birthday celebration din ito ni Miss Shamsi at buti nakauwi rin siya at nagpabudol siya sa nanay niya for this amid her busy schedules.
Because today is the birthday of my daughter, her 40th birthday. Eh, ito napaka-special. Galing pa siya ng Europe. Sabi niya, Mami, may event ako. Hindi ako makarating. Naku na, hindi pwede. Okay? Sabi niya, may event daw siya. Bakit? Hindi ba ako makabayad sa iyo? Sikreto, reveal. But I'm so thankful that she's here with us to welcome you all. At nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng artist na sumuporta. Lahat ng mga constituents dito na iba-ibang lugar, from Taporong, from Davao, from Malapatan, South Cotabato, and from Bangkok. Andito ngayon to support us. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you for coming to my birthday. Debu. No, actually, I'm very happy to see all of you. Actually, this is my mom's happiness, you know, to host people, bring people together, create a community where they can share talents, food, and the love for environment. And tama no, sinabi ng mom ko, I wasn't really planning on celebrating in a party kasi hindi ako mahilig sa party. I just got back from Switzerland last Wednesday and I had another event last Friday. So sabi ko kay mommy, parang mahirap, no? But then, of course, I didn't know that it was this big. Sabi lang naman niya, for me to come here so we can celebrate my birthday again in my hometown. Pero I didn't expect that it's gonna be a big celebration like this. Actually, I didn't bring anything. So I want to thank June Ador for dressing me today. Kundi naka-jeans lang ako. Kasi hindi ko alam na formal pala. But yes, what my mom shared with you earlier, actually my love for the art started when I was really very young. And I remember that whenever there was an occasion or when it's her birthday, I would gift her a painting or a drawing. And I think my mom saw that in me. So when I was in high school, I got to meet wonderful artists like si Kuya Bal, sila Kuya Lawrence. And I did a lot of art workshops and I learned from them. They're very, very talented. And from there, nag-open kami ng first art gallery when I was, I think, 14 years old. And from there, na-expose ako sa mga different types of medium, from watercolor to acrylic to oil to charcoal. And that's where my, na-hone yung talent ko. And that's the reason why I took up my course, architecture. And eventually, when I joined pageant, my talent was to draw. And I never thought na, usually you don't really do that in a competition in pageantry. Pero I was one of the one that did on the spot drawing where I won Best in Talent thanks to my mom. And now she continues the passion. And ako din, ever since, I always say this, we have a lot of talented Filipinos. And the arts in other countries, they're really put on a pedestal. A lot of people really appreciate art. But in the Philippines, hindi siya ganon. And it's saddening kasi nga, talent is raw. It's nature. It's something that you're born with. It can be honed. It can be practiced. It's a skill that you practice. But still, I believe it's a God-given talent, and not everybody has that. And I'm happy that my mom is here to support all the artists. Dahil alam ko mahirap maging artist sa Pilipinas. And I hope more and more Filipinos would see the talent, would appreciate the talent, and support them. Kasi mahirap talaga, mahirap na trabaho siya. And I'm proud of all the artists that made it here. And I hope that you support them also. And congratulations again to my mom. This is her dream. And congratulations for all your hard work.
Knowing that Shamsi represented the Philippines on the global stage as Miss Universe 2011 third runner-up, nakaka-proud din isipin na she continues to represent General Santos City in another meaningful way, which is this time through arts and culture. Shamsi shared during the interview na matagal na ring passion ng family nila ang visual arts, and now they want to help create more platforms for artists, especially local creatives who deserve to be seen and appreciated. And honestly, totoo naman. Minsan kasi kapag sinabing Gensan, tuna agad ang naiisip ng tao. Di kaya tahanan ng boxing legend na si Pacman Manny Pacquiao. Pero beyond that, marami ring artists dito like painters, singers, musicians, performers, writers, and creators na may world-class talent at sariling kwento na dapat ding mabigyan ng spotlight.
Mahirap kasi many of the industry talaga, only a few would really call it their bread and butter. Many would only do their art on the side. Kaya nakakalungkot kasi I always say this na it's not something talaga that you can learn or you can learn in school, but it's a talent that you can hone in school. Pero ano siya parang hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ganong talento. So I hope that if you have that talent, I hope that you don't get discouraged. And I pray that many more people will really see and appreciate art and support art as it should be supported.
And they could collaborate with you dito sa cafe, yung mga local artists.
Yes. Actually, I think we're open to showcase a different artists. Alam ko, mahirap makahanap ng venue where you can, just put up your works. So dito, you're very, very welcome. We actually have different competitions. Kahapon, we were looking at all the obra and we chose our top 3. So I think it's a good way also to expose yourself, to meet your fellow artists, kasi you learn so much from talking to them and seeing their work. Actually, I'm so inspired every time I get to meet and talk to the different artists, kasi iba-iba ng style and marami ding methods that they can share with you. I'm very, very lucky that I was able to really learn from talented individuals, and sana nga magtuloy-tuloy itong art gallery here.
Baka meron pa po kayong gusto i-promote outside this?
Yes, ayun lang. I hope that everyone, not just in Gensan, mga kababayan ko, but everybody who comes to Gensan, we're not just about tuna. So ngayon na iba pa kayong pupuntahan. Punta kayo dito sa Humayan Cafe, sa Shamsi Art Gallery, to really be with nature and witness the beauty of our talented individuals who are here, and hope that you can support them, because everything na we resell here is really gonna support many families of our artists. So punta kayo dito, and hopefully you can also see some of my memorabilia here. Lahat nung ginamit ko nung pageant journey ko, my gowns, even my wedding gown is here. So if you wanna see those, come to Humayan Cafe and Shamsi Art Gallery. We're here in Katangawan. So i-search nyo na lang, makikita nyo na yan sa Google Map. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, we really have to support our local artists and what they create. And what I love about this initiative is that it doesn't feel intimidating. The space feels welcoming, my workshops for all ages, my local artworks on display, at may pagkakataon for people to reconnect with creativity and nature. Hindi mo kailangan maging professional artist para ma-appreciate ang arts. Lalo na nandito tayo sa nature. Napaka-relaxing. Hopefully, this becomes more than just an art gallery. This can also become a bigger creative hub for different forms of art here in Mindanao, like visual arts, music, performances, storytelling, and collaborations that celebrate our culture and identity as Filipinos. Kaya if you're looking for a place to relax, appreciate art, connect with nature, and support local creatives, this is definitely worth visiting. The Shamsi Art Gallery in Humayan Cafe at EnviroGreen Farm, Katangawan, General Santos City. Because art deserves space, artists deserve support, and culture deserves to be celebrated. Happy National Heritage Month sa lahat, at mabuhay ang sining ng Pilipino. Ito po si Papa Lem na nagsasabing, aanhin pa ang boses, talento at karunungan kung hindi naman ginagamit sa kabutihan. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time, and good vibes!
You're the best! Papa Lem.